Hello guys, today I will show you some applications which you should not install on your phone. I will also tell you some alternatives to that applications. So just sit back and enjoy the video. So the first application is ES File Explorer. ES File Explorer is one of the most downloaded and widely used file explorer application for phones. But now, ES File Explorer is not that great file explorer that is used to be in previous years. The free version has been pumped full of bloatware and adware, and it continuously forces you to download additional apps via non-disabled notification bar pop-ups. There are loads to choose from. If you want an open source, turn to OI File Manager. If you're more concerned with design, try out FX File Explorer. Or if customization is your thing, you can look to Total Commander. So now the second application is UC Browser. UC Browser is the most popular Android web browser in China and India. It claims to have a fast mode that'll save you MBs of data usage, thanks to compression. It tracks users' search queries which are sent without encryption to Yahoo India and Google, and users' geolocation data which is transmitted without encryption. You can use Chrome and Firefox instead, which are the obvious choices. But some people have worries about privacy concerns there too. So, a solid all-around privacy protector is Lightning Browser. So now, the third application is Clean Master. Clean Master is another insanely popular speed booster, battery saver, and phone optimizer application for phones. It has over 600 million users and over 33 million 5-star reviews. Clean Master is Cheetah Mobile Company's application. This application is loaded with full of ads and bloatware. It doesn't do anything useful. RAM saving apps were valuable once upon a time, but the Android system has developed so much that this application is just useless now. Honestly, you should not install any alternatives to this application. But still, if you want to install, then SD-Made is your friend. I hope you liked the video. Please, like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thanks.